How to apply makeup like a pro. Your makeup is not a mask. It's a form of art and, more importantly, a form of expression. When you have creative freedom, the power lies in your hand to try out different things and see what you like best. Because here's the thing, your makeup is an extension of your personality. Of course, each one of us has a distinct style and preferences, but the basics of nailing your makeup, whatever kind you like, are pretty much the same. The smallest steps can sometimes make a big difference in how your look turns out. We have done plenty of research to help you ace your makeup. From pro makeup hacks to a breakdown of the steps involved in flawless makeup application. Keep watching to find out more. How to apply makeup perfectly. The key to a perfect base comes down to your prep. I cannot stress enough how vital prepping is, because it makes your job easier, and you won't have to work too hard on fixing issues that your skin may already have. Prepping involves cleansing, toning, and moisturizing your face before going in with any makeup. These steps are infallible, and if you even have 5 minutes to spare, you will become a pro within no time. Let's get rolling to the fun part now. According to your preferences, you can choose to skip any products you don't wish to wear. Either way, we've chalked out a complete step-by-step makeup routine for you. Remember, it's important to be aware of your skin type, so you can choose the right products for your skin. For instance, if you have oily skin, water-based makeup is the right call for you. Dry skin beauties can try out oil-based formulas. And if you are someone with sensitive skin, there's always mineral makeup out there. Step 1. Prime your face. The first step to any makeup look is to apply a primer. Doing so will boost coverage, smoothen out your texture, minimize pores, and increase the longevity of your makeup. If you are going to be running around or sweating, a primer is a must. Step 2. Apply foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and apply it onto primed skin using a foundation brush or a damp beauty blender. Make sure you blend the product well along your face, jawline, and neck, so you don't end up looking like an Oompa Loompa. If you have stubborn blemishes or spots, you can always build more coverage for an even finish. Remember the golden rule, less is more. That, my friends, is indeed the case with foundation. Step 3. Time to conceal. Apply concealer in a shade that's slightly lighter than your skin tone to brighten and even out any areas that need work. Using a concealer brush, apply the formula under your eyes in an upside-down triangle shape and blend it out really well. Dab some concealer onto dark spots and other imperfections, ensuring you blend out the edges well so that your concealer seamlessly blends into your foundation. Choose a liquid concealer for weightless coverage and a wide area of your face, like the under-eye area. Choose a compact or stick concealer for more solid coverage and smaller areas. Step 4. Set your foundation. If you have normal skin, you can get away with patting some setting powder onto your T-zone. However, it is a good idea for the rest of your face to use a compact or setting powder to seal the deal. Use a buffing brush to apply the powder evenly onto your face and neck. A compact powder is easy to tuck into your purse, and a few touch-ups throughout the day can keep your face looking shine-free. Defining your features. Once you've got your base right, it is time to define and enhance your beautiful features. Enhance your eyes. Make sure you invest in high-quality eyeliner and mascara that doesn't smudge or smear. Using an eyeliner, line your upper waterline and the outer corners of your lower lash line. Use a brush to smudge the product to avoid harsh lines. Use an eyelash curler to curl your lashes. Apply a coat of mascara to instantly open up your eyes and make you look more awake and bright. You can add a hint of a neutral shade of eyeshadow to your eyelids for a complete look. Create brows that are on point. Defining your eyebrows adds structure to your face instantly. If you have naturally dark, well-defined eyebrows, you can skip this step. But if you have sparse or overplucked eyebrows, you can use an eyebrow pencil or brow pomade to fill them in. Choose a pencil or product that very closely matches your eyebrows. Use short strokes to create small hairs in the gaps. Use a makeup brush to blend and brush out the product evenly into your eyebrows for a natural look. Once you fill them in, you can use an eyebrow gel to set them in place. You can also add some highlighter under the arches of your brows to make them stand out even more. There are multiple products available in the market specifically for your brows, like eyebrow kits, pencils, and duo shapers. Add a flush of color to your face. Blush adds a cheeky glow to your skin and makes it look fresh and healthy. Use a fluffy brush to apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks. Refrain from mixing textures. If you are using a powder, stick to powder blush, and if you are going without powder, stick to a cream blush. You can add a touch of highlighter or luminizer to your cheekbones along the bridge of your nose and under your brow bones for an appealing radiance. Define your pout. Before you put anything onto your lips, make sure you moisturize them with some lip balm. Choose lip colors that complement your skin tone. If you want to wear nude lipstick, find the right shade of nude for your skin tone. Voila, your makeup is complete, and you are set to go out there and rule. Wasn't that easy? With just a few steps, you can achieve this camera-ready look whenever you want to. Here's the thing, though. There are going to be times when things go wrong. For times like these, it's always helpful to have a few tricks up your sleeve to fix blunders. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with friends and family. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.